Hello everyone, my name is Andy. Today is Monday, June 5th. Time is around 7:10 GMT and we will have a look at the DAX futures on the Oanda platform. So here in my daily videos I analyze the lower time frame, 4 hour, 1 hour, 15 minutes. If you are interested in the higher time frame, let's say the weekly, the daily, please have a look at my weekend videos. In my weekend video and my video of yesterday, I told you that I'm still expecting a pullback for the DAX because, divergence is all over here. And so now the main question is if our high was in here or or do we make still one more high? For now, my count is like this from this wave 4 that we went up 1, 2, that this was a 3. We did a 4 or we are doing a 4 and then a final wave 5 should follow. But remember, like this, I already told you, could be an equally valid count, which means that our high is in and that we start to go down from here. But okay, now I go for discount as my primary scenario because of this here. This looked really strong in RSI, and normally your wave 5 ends way weaker. Okay, so this is how the 4 hour looks like. Now let's further zoom in because some interesting things happened on Friday. I immediately go to the 15 minutes. So on Friday I told you that I was doubting if this wave C was finished or not. We only had a little bit of divergence. This is actually enough. If there is divergence, it can be your fifth wave. But I was waiting to go long for this wave C reaching this equal leg area, which was this box here from your so this is your wave A, this is your wave B, and then your wave 4 typically ends here. For now it looks like we did not reach this area, so I also could not enter my long trade. So I would change my count now to something like this. I believe this is more appropriate for now. So I think, yeah, like this. So this was our A in 5 waves, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then we have our B to the upside, A, B, C, and then we have here again 5 waves down, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So here we finished wave 4 as an ABC. So now what can happen from here? So now this is the part to focus on today. Yesterday I already gave you this area as a possible area to Friday I already gave you this area to initiate a possible short trade, and this might actually happen today. Like if this is our 4, this should be a 1. We start a new upward cycle, and then a new cycle always starts with a wave 1, and so this could look like this is our 1, 1, 2. Then this is our 3. We need a 4 and a 5. I would count it like this. Yeah. And then this is our RSI trend line, which is breaking. This is something typical for a wave 4. And then we need a 5. So we are in a relevant area to go short. Yeah, on the 15 minutes, yeah, there is some divergence, but this is not enough for me, especially like what I want to see to to initiate this short on the 1 hour is a good pullback in RSI. So we have to make a wave 4 here. For me, the wave 4 is missing now. Yeah, this could be a wave 4, but this is not enough for me. I want to see more before I assume that there is that the wave 4 was in. I cannot assume that this is the wave 4. This is not enough for me. So what I want to see is some kind of pullback here, a wave 4, a good uh, drop in RSI, maybe even a reset of RSI, and then we make a new high somewhere here. Can be in the area, can also be a bit above this area with RSI divergence. If I see this, then I will initiate a short entry. Yeah, then we have a complete impulse up that ends with RSI divergence in a relevant area. This is for me a signal to go short. But again, this RSI divergence is really important because yeah, as long as you don't see this, you cannot go short, because this is or wave 3. This wave 3 can still be ongoing, and a wave 3 can go as high as it wants. So you cannot enter blindly short here. Conditions should be fulfilled. Okay, now let's assume this happens, so that our wave 5 ends somewhere here, and you initiate a short. Then the next thing that should happen, so then we are in this scenario. This is a 1, then a 2 should happen. This is of a higher degree. So then we have here a wave 1, then a pullback should happen as an ABC. So yeah, so this then becomes your area to take profit, and maybe to initiate along again after you're seeing this. But yeah, I don't know if all this will happen in one day. This will probably for tomorrow, but then this is the next thing, the next move to consider. Okay, like I draw it now, this looks yeah, very bullish, but I also want to share with you a scenario that looks less bullish, which would actually be bearish then. And this is this scenario. So what could be is that or wave 4 was not in yet, and so that we still go lower, that we still take out this low. So what could happen is that this here actually becomes our B, and this was our A. This would be this would also be a valid count. Look, we have then we would have 5 waves down from here, like let's say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We end with here with RSI divergence compared to this low of wave 3. So this would work. Then we are doing here an AB, an wave B in the form of an ABC, because like if we drop from here, then yeah, like because there is no an ABC, so then it would be like this, A, B, C. So your B is corrective, so it has to be an ABC. And yeah, like we see it now, there is no RSI divergence, or hardly no RSI divergence, and this is possible in an ABC pattern. So if we start to drop from here like a stone, then I would count this as an ABC. And like a wave B is very difficult to trade. So in this case, to short, because you do not have really a good indication when to enter. Your RSI is not saying that much. So and then it becomes like this. So this would then be our A. This is our B, and then the area where our C will end is somewhere here. So this is the yeah, this is the rater bearish scenario that could turn out in the short run. We have to see. So therefore, it might be dangerous to take this wave 2 as a short, as a long. I mean, from here, if yeah, if this turns out. So here, in order to take this trade, conditions should also be fulfilled. But for now, I think it's quite safe to initiate a short here in this area, or a bit above this area. We are already quite deep, in case you see RSI divergence. So the first scenario I discussed. Okay, guys, this is what I see for today, which what could happen today and tomorrow. Let's wait for a bit more data, and then yeah, we can see how to enter the trade. Thank you for watching, and see you tomorrow for another analysis. Have a nice day. Bye bye.